White's Lumber is introducing Wolf Classic cabinets to their kitchen and bath lineup and celebrating with half off all new orders. Wolf offers more standard features on select styles than others in their price range, like solid wood dovetail drawers and soft close functionality. Budget-friendly cabinets in 19 styles and color combinations, backed by a 5-year warranty. Plus, with exclusive quick ship at White's Lumber, cabinets are delivered in days, not weeks. Get over half off your Wolf cabinet order for a limited time only. Build your new kitchen faster with Wolf Classic cabinetry from White's Lumber.